How to make turns and control the steering wheel. Beginner drivers. 1. Navigating the basics of steering control. Diving into the world of driving, particularly mastering the steering wheel's subtle art, can often feel like learning an entirely new language for beginner drivers. Yet, it's this very element, steering control, that acts as a linchpin in harmonizing your vehicle's movements with your intentions on the road. Imagine steering not just as a manual task but as a sophisticated dance between you and your car, where every turn signifies a step choreographed with precision and grace. Innovatively thinking about turning and controlling the steering wheel opens up new perspectives on vehicular navigation, transforming mundane maneuvers into a reactive interplay with ever-changing road dynamics. Instead of perceiving turns merely as routine actions to get from point A to point B, envision them as opportunities to fine-tune this dance, a chance to seamlessly integrate your decisions with the mechanical responses of your vehicle. This shift in perspective from seeing steering control as mere functionality to appreciating it as an art form promises not only safer but also more enjoyable journeys ahead. 2. Understanding your vehicle's steering dynamics. Navigating the intricacies of your vehicle's steering dynamics goes far beyond simply turning the wheel. An elegantly executed turn stems from a symphony between you, the car, and the subtle cues it offers. It's essential to grasp that every vehicle possesses its unique personality and how it responds to your commands. For instance, some cars might feel more responsive or light on their feet, making them nimble around corners, while others require a firmer hand and deliberate movements to guide them gracefully. This dance with your vehicle gets even more fascinating when you factor in speed and road conditions. At higher speeds or in challenging weather, your car's steering feedback can significantly change. What feels controlled at a slow pace might become precariously sensitive or unexpectedly sluggish as you accelerate. This demands an adaptive driving style where anticipation and finesse play leading roles. By tuning into these dynamics and treating steering not just as a task but as an art form, beginner drivers can dramatically enhance both their safety and enjoyment behind the wheel. Step into this mindset. Every drive is an opportunity to refine your fluency in this non-verbal dialogue with your car, mastering its language one turn at a time. 3. Proper hand positioning on the steering wheel. Making smooth turns doesn't just elevate the driving experience. It also significantly enhances safety on the road. A tried and true technique involves a steady, gentle motion on the steering wheel rather than abrupt movements. Imagine drawing a perfect circle with your steering, where each motion is part of a fluid continuum, not separate jerks or hesitations. This method ensures your vehicle glides through turns with grace, maintaining stability and giving you ample time to react to unexpected obstacles. Another lesser discussed but equally impactful technique lies in the art of anticipatory adjustments. Before entering a turn, slightly easing off the accelerator and gently applying brakes sets you up for a smoother maneuver. The real secret sauce? It's all about vision. Looking through the turn towards your intended path rather than right in front of you. This visual guide naturally aligns your hands and steering input with the curve ahead, making for seamless turns that feel almost intuitive. Pair these strategies together, and you're not just turning. You're harmonizing with every bend in the road. 4. Techniques for making smooth turns. As beginner drivers, one critical skill that sets the foundation for safer driving is mastering the adjustment of speed before and during turns. Contrary to common assumptions, the art of turning is not just about steering but begins much before that, with speed management. A general rule of thumb is to decelerate smoothly as you approach a turn. This isn't merely for safety regulations but stems from physics itself. Slowing down reduces centrifugal force acting on the car, minimizing the risk of skidding or losing control. The intrigue, however, lies not just in slowing down but in when and how you regain your pace. As you navigate through the turn, maintaining a steady yet controlled acceleration eases your vehicle into a smooth exit trajectory. It's akin to drawing a perfect arc with a compass. Too fast and you overshoot, too slow and it's incomplete. This delicate balance ensures both safety and fluidity in motion, a dance between velocity and direction underpinned by keen judgment and precise timing. 5. Adjusting speed before and during turns. Anticipating your turns is not merely a driving technique. It is the art of foresight on the road that sets apart seasoned drivers from novices. It involves reading the road ahead, understanding traffic flow, and preparing for your move well in advance. This early anticipation ensures you're not making abrupt, last-minute maneuvers that can surprise other drivers and pedestrians, thereby significantly reducing the risk of accidents. It's about creating a smooth narrative for your journey where every twist and turn flows seamlessly into the next chapter. Furthermore, anticipating your turns contributes to better fuel efficiency, a concern that's more relevant today than ever. By planning your moves ahead of time, you can maintain a steadier speed and avoid sudden accelerations or decelerations, which consume more fuel. This approach advocates for a calmer driving experience where patience meets precision. In essence, mastering this skill doesn't just safeguard physical well-being. It promotes harmony on the road and an elevated sense of control behind the wheel, transforming each drive into an enjoyable orchestration rather than a frantic scramble towards your destination. 6. The importance of anticipating your turns. In mastering the art of steering, you unlock the essence of safe driving, a skill that weaves together the threads of awareness, control, and anticipation into a tapestry of seamless navigation. Perfecting this does more than merely get us from point A to B. It ensures that every journey is undertaken with a heightened sense of responsibility towards ourselves and those sharing the road with us. This mastery isn't an endpoint but an ongoing conversation between driver and vehicle, one that requires continuous learning and adaptation. The road to becoming adept at steering is paved with patience and practice. Embrace every turn as an opportunity not just to reach your destination but to refine your rapport with your vehicle. Remember, in this dynamic dance between car and driver, every maneuver is a step towards safer roads for everyone. As we conclude our guide on making turns and controlling the steering wheel for beginner drivers, let's carry forward this crucial insight. Mastering steering transcends technical skill. It's about fostering a culture of safety behind the wheel. 7. Mastering steering for safe driving. Mastering the art of steering is not just about ensuring your own safety. It's about becoming a conscientious guardian of the roads. As you finesse this crucial skill, every turn becomes a testament to your commitment to safe driving, a ballet between man and machine that promotes harmony on the highway. It transforms you from a beginner into a beacon of responsibility, guiding by example and safeguarding lives with every calculated maneuver. In navigating this journey, remember that mastering steering is akin to mastering an art form. It requires patience, practice, and persistent refinement. Each twist in the road brings new challenges, but also opportunities to display unparalleled control and grace under pressure. Your hands are not just guiding your vehicle but weaving the fabric of a safer driving culture. As you perfect this craft, cherish the journey, for it elevates you beyond merely being competent. It propels you into becoming an exemplar for safe driving standards worldwide.